Hey guys, how's it going? As if I didn't already have a million subscription boxes, I thought let's add another one. I recently signed up for the Yes Oh Yes box. I feel like I should just be saying yes oh yes. It just yes oh yes doesn't really roll off the tongue quite nicely. I've seen this one kind of floating around and I thought, hey, let's give it a try. This one is $13.99. You do pay for shipping. I only paid $3 for shipping though, so it turned out to be $16.99. But I believe I used a discount code, so it may end up being a little bit more expensive than that every month. But I'll let you guys know if I decide to keep this one, kind of what it is next month. So I figured, let's try out another one, see if it's worth anything, see if it's any good, since it is kind of in the mid-range. It's priced where I would put like the Allure box and the Macy's Beauty box. So let's see, do they kind of match up to that? Is the value there? Oh, this is cute. They give you a little card. It says, thank you for your order. We want to gift you. You're one step closer to redeeming your free gift via our customer loyalty program. This program earns you a gift on your 5th, 10th, and 15th renewal order. Once you reach the 5th cycle, email us and we will include your gift. I feel like that should be automatic. I am a forgetful person and I will forget to email on that 5th cycle. Okay, so I'm just going to reach in. There's a lot of confetti in here, so we're just going in. Okay, so this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Hand and Body Lotion. It is infused with natural botanical extracts and essential oils. This is a full-size product. It says, Precious Diamonds Luxurious Multi-Purpose Hand and Body Lotion was formulated with essential oils, plant extracts, and nourishing vitamins and minerals. It will keep your skin hydrated, nourished, and rejuvenated. Well, you know me, I gotta test it out. Ooh, safety seal. You never find that on lotions. That's gotta be a joke. It wasn't even sealed. Why put a safety seal if you're not actually going to seal it? Okay. Whoa, that comes out fast. So that is pretty creamy looking. It is not thick. It actually seems rather watery. It has a scent. It's not overpowering. It's kind of perfumey, but not horribly perfumey. It's not bad. It's light enough that it's not giving me a headache. But you know me, I get headaches very easily with these things. It does not feel like it is thick and will stay on for a while. It's pretty meh in my opinion. It's not the best, it's not the worst. It's pretty middle of the road. We'll see kind of how it dries down and what it ends up feeling like after that. So first product done. What I don't like, there's nothing showing me how much these products are worth. Guess I'm playing detective today. Oh, so this is part of a complete nail system. The complete nail system comes with a nail file, a nail buffer, and cuticle oil along with the hand cream. And all of that together retails for $75. Well, I'm hoping that they put all of that in here. I guess I'm digging. Oh, okay. There's the cuticle oil. Of course I'm gonna try it. Why would I not try this? I like to take very good care of my hands. My husband actually laughs. It's one of the first things I notice about people, and I hate to be that person, but I judge hardcore if your hands are gross. So this oil isn't very oily in the sense that it's not kind of like that thick viscosity that an oil sometimes has, especially cuticle oil, but I think I enjoy the lightness of the oil. My cuticles always need help, like always. Not bad at all. I will take that. Well, there's 2 of the complete system in here. Oh, my fingernail just touched a file, so. There it is, Bella Pierre Precious Diamonds. There's the nail file. I like nail files. Would I pay $75 for this little set? I don't know. But I like nail files. Seems to have a good grit on both sides. I'm not gonna file my nails right now. That would just take forever. So let's just see if they put in the last little piece of this 4-piece nail care. And they did. Here's the buffer block. So I want to read about this whole system. So it says the complete nail care system contains everything you need to keep your nails looking healthy, buffed, and polished while leaving your hands soft, smooth, and beautiful. Included in this kit is our diamond texture nail file, exclusive 4-way nail buffer, vitamin infused sweet almond cuticle oil, and our luxurious hand and body lotion for a perfect at-home manicure. Based on Bella Pierre's website, I just received a product that is worth $75. And I only paid $16.99. Can't say that's bad. That's a pretty good value. It is their own product, so that's what they're charging. This isn't like if this is coming from Bella Pierre, this is coming from Yes Oh Yes. All right, I'm not mad. Okay, next in the box is a big thing. This is the Bella Pierre 12 Palette Go Natural. So So obviously I'm guessing there's 12 shades in here. That's why it's probably called 12. It's made with 100% pure minerals. Okay, so there is a teeny tiny little mirror in here. Very small. I don't know how anybody could do eyeshadow looks with this. This palette is reminiscent of the Urban Decay Naked 3 with all of its rosy shades and whatnot. I am curious. We're gonna swatch a shimmer and we're gonna swatch a matte and we're gonna see what they feel like. What shimmer do I swatch? I think I'm gonna swatch this purpley guy right there. That's soft. Okay, so let's go in with this color. Oh, Malanta! That is so smooth. Like, seriously, that was a dream. It was like butter going on my hand there. Wow, I am impressed. They give you this rinky-dinky little brush thing, so I wanna see how it applies with a brush. And that actually picked up a lot. Just gonna do it right next to this one. Okay, first thing I'm noticing, just be careful with the fallout on a brush. It could just be this brush though. This brush isn't very good. I would probably use this as like a smudger or detailer brush, but I would not use this to put color all over my eye. It's definitely lighter coverage. There's not as much of a pow with the brush, but if for shimmer, I'd probably use my finger or my silicone brush anyway, so. But that's freaking beautiful. I need to test a matte shade. There are only 3 matte shades in this whole palette. I will show you. There's a matte shade right there, and the end. Those are the only matte shades in this whole palette. Let's just test the closest one to that color I used. Definitely not as smooth as the shimmer, but mattes rarely are. All right, so there it is. You can't even really see it on my finger. Hopefully you can see it on my skin, but you can't even see it on my skin. It's kind of chalky looking. I'm not a huge fan. Let me try one of the other ones and see if it does better. We'll just try this white one on the end here, which actually feels a little bit smoother. Yeah, they're just not pigmented. The mattes aren't pigmented at all. You can probably build them and work with it, but you're gonna have to be careful when you blend. I have a feeling these are those type of mattes that may blend away. Well, it's a half win. I really liked that shimmer shade. Let's see how much this guy retails for. This retails for $45. Say what? I've already gotten over $100 worth of product in this box. That's insane. These 2 things are like ridiculously expensive. All right, let's see if there's, oh my gosh, there's more. What is this? Okay, so we've got a Bella Pierre gel lip liner in the color Aloha. Oh, that's really nice. They give you the kiss proof lip cream and the lip liner. Well, you know I'm gonna swatch it. So it's like a pencil, not like a retractable type thing. So that's the lip liner. It's not super smooth, so it may be kind of a butt to put on. It stays pretty nicely. I tried to rub it around there and it didn't really move too much. So let's try the kiss proof lip cream now. I like this, they give you the directions. With slightly parted lips, draw a lip outline with applicator tip, then fill in empty space with a smooth, thin layer. All right, so let's see this guy. Ooh. Ooh! Super pigmented. What is that? That's chemically. But then they try to throw in like a fruit scent that just doesn't smell like fruit. It smells like feet. Oh god, why do I keep smelling it? Hopefully it's a smell that dissipates. I'm gonna leave this on for the rest of this little video here and see if it dries down or not. I don't know if it's supposed to be matte. It's called Kiss Proof Lip Cream. I'm guessing that means it is a matte lip cream that doesn't move. Durr, Jennifer. So it says these are full coverage, which yes, I agree with that. High impact liquid lipsticks that last for hours without the need to touch up. Their creamy formula goes on smooth and dries to a beautiful matte finish in a snap. Retails for $20, which is pretty standard for a liquid lipstick for like a higher end company. And then they also give you this kiss proof lip finish. Seems like it's a little bit of a thicker gloss. Not like too thick where it's clumpy and chunky, but just thick enough to kind of give you that plumpy moisturizing look. It actually feels really nice. So it says kiss proof lip finish is designed to be used on top of kiss proof lip creams to add glossy shine and moisture to the lips while preventing any color transfer. This retails for $15. So $35 between just these 2 products here. I'm gonna do a wear test on this one for you guys because this seems really interesting to me. This is actually a set. This is what they call their Kiss Proof Slay Kit, and this is in the color Aloha. You get the lip liner, the lip cream, and the lip finish. This in total retails for $45 altogether. So this is a $20 product. this is a $15 product, so that's $35, so then this guy is $10. Okay guys, so the grand total for this box is $165. I paid a tenth of that. I'm flabbergasted. Seriously, these are all full-size products. I'm not getting sample size things. Now my one gripe, I don't really want to say gripe because I'm not griping. I actually think this is an incredible value, but it's all the same company. So the reason I like subscription boxes is because I like to try different things. Now it seems like they've partnered with one company here and they just went, here, put all of our stuff in this box. Not that that is bad, I just prefer variety. On that same note, as far as variety goes, you got an eye product, you got a lip product, you got nail products. How often do you get nail products in these? Except for if you're like getting julep. I'm floored, you guys, floored. $165, I paid $16.99. I'm definitely gonna try this out. We'll do a look with this one for you guys. I'm definitely gonna do a wear test on this lipstick. All right, now we're gonna see if this actually dried down. Shut the front door. Nothing. Okay, I'm curious. I just wanna put the gloss that I had on my hand over it and see if that changes anything at all. Because I like a glossy lip. I like a glossy lip that stays. So if this is actually gonna do that, I may have to kiss the ground that Bella Pierre walks on. Now that I've put the gloss on there, I wanna see if this guy is gonna budge. Still no! If nothing else, this lip product may have been worth the entire box. I think I'm in love. Well guys, that's it for the Yes So Yes box. So what do you guys think? I think that this box is absolutely worth the $16.99 that I paid for it. And if this is how it's going to continue, if this is an upward trend for this box, it has potential to be fantastic. I'm hoping that they branch out with other companies in the future and have a little more variety, but I don't think this was bad at all. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to keep seeing more videos like this, or this wear test to see how that's gonna work. I really appreciate you being here and spending this time with me. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next one.